As you can see, the place is busy with people. They are going to the stadium right now.
Let's just get a big one and get boxing.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Huh?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
We can go to the boxing game.
Get cheaper tickets.
Okay. Can I just get a feel of that and we just go back? That's over here. We're going to the soccer stadium. Tons of people, man. This is like the final of finals. Oh, cup. Anyways. Yeah, that's the stadium. You can see the floodlight, right? See the floodlight. Yeah, that's true. The boxing will be cheap. Maximum 100. You give it. Man, the guy wanted 500 for boxing. Can you believe that? That is crazy. We're going to the soccer field right now to watch Argentina play Brazil. Hopefully, my team Brazil is going to win. Yep. It's getting late.